All right, so for our next assignment, we're gonna be working with complementary colors. Those are colors directly across from each other on the color wheel. And as I'll talk about in class, I am a believer of the CMY color wheel, cyan, yellow, magenta, especially in paint. It's gonna be really useful to work with that color wheel. So you've chosen your object that you're gonna be painting, and then we're gonna be creating a value strip that's essentially gonna show the difference in tone when you add a complementary color. So I'm working with red and cyan, which are across from each other in the color wheel. This red's a little bit cooler than probably the true red, but you can see how the color, you can tone and shade the color by adding its complement to it. So step one of the project is going to be to create a value strip here, actually really a tonal strip, where you're taking your two complementary colors and then creating the steps in between. So my recommendation would be to start with the two colors, and then go ahead and create the middle. Is going to be equal amounts. Is really going to be kind of a mud color. I think on the video it's coming across a lot more blue than it looks on person, but it's really that color that you're going to be shading with. It's the shadow of the red or the shadow of the blue, depending on what your object is. And then work your way up. So as you go towards the red, you're going to use less cyan, more red, and as you go towards the blue side, you're going to use less red and more cyan. So that's going to be step one.